Bula! Hey everybody, Baron Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, and we are in Windroka Bay on the coral coast of Viti Levu, the main island of Fiji. And we have a property for sale. I'm going to turn it around. And here we go. We have some fresher pictures and information on our website, but this is how it's currently looking. And you can see things have gotten overgrown a little bit because the borders have been closed and caretakers haven't been around. But you can see there is a driveway here going down to the property. There's a container already here, and you have a big flat open piece of property, and you have ocean views. Find out more about this. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us +679 999 2051, and you can build your dream home right here, right now. Vinaka.